This is Darren with My RV Works, and today what I want to talk to you about is refrigerators. What I want to cover on this video is how to diagnose or troubleshoot your cooling unit. If you're having issues with your refrigerator, the absorption refrigerator, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to use your senses. I want you to use your smell, your sight, and I want you to use your hearing, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to use your sight. We'll start with sight. Okay, do you see a yellow residue down in the bottom of the boiler? The boiler is a part of the refrigerator that's going to get really hot. Most of the time they're on the right side, but depending on your configuration, it might be on the left. Different model numbers have them in different places, but it's a boiler. You're going to look at it. It's like a chimney looking thing going up. At the very base of that, do you see a yellow powdery residue? If you do, that would be a sodium chromate ammonia mixture. Now that'll dissolve in water, so it's easy to clean up because it's going to dissolve in water. But if you see that residue, you got a failed cooling unit. Stop doing all your diagnosis. There's a breach in the cooling unit. The cooling unit, let me mention that for a second. The cooling unit is it's a totally sealed, under pressure vessel. And it's got 4 elements in it: ammonia, water, hydrogen, and sodium chromate. The sodium chromate is an anti-rust inhibitor, so we can kind of forget about him because he's not involved in the physics of how these things work. But the water, the ammonia, and the hydrogen, they do work very interactively together. Then you have to have heat and gravity. It's a gravity system. So knowing that there are these elements in there and there's a pressurized system and it uses heat and gravity, if you see that yellow residue, that means there was a breach, that some of those elements worked its way out of the pressurized vessel. It's not pressurized anymore. So yellow residue, it's your cooling unit. If you smell an ammonia, strong ammonia smell, either inside or outside here, that's another indication that you have a failed cooling unit. It's got a breach. That ammonia that's inside, very strong. So if you smell the ammonia or see the yellow residue, you got a breach. That's your sight and your smell. If you hear a gurgling sound coming from the boiler, coming from the cooling unit, if you hear this gurgling sound like a hiss, another indication that you've got a breach in your cooling unit. Okay, so if you have either of those things, you see the yellow, you smell the ammonia, or you hear the gurgling, full stop, failed cooling unit. You don't have to troubleshoot any farther.
Have you ever wondered what our Patreon is all about? We want to give you a chance to go inside and experience it for yourself. For the month of June, we're offering a free month of membership to our RV Tech tier. Inside, you'll find our growing video library, ad-free content, and monthly Zoom calls. Plus, you'll also get exclusive worksheets and tool discounts. To redeem, just click the link above or in the description. Once you're in, you'll be able to browse the library, join a monthly Zoom call, access exclusive worksheets, and use our tool discounts.